Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix incoming calls not ringing in iPhone problem. So the first fix is check silent mode. Ensure the silent mode is turned off. If it is on, turn it off. Now the second fix is to verify focus mode. Track down control center, and if focus mode is turned on, turn it off. The third is to disable silence unknown callers. For this, go to settings. After reaching settings, tap on phone, tap on silence unknown call. Simply turn off this feature. Now the fourth option is to enable notification for phone app. So for this, go to settings, and this time tap on notifications, tap on phone, and ensure allow notification and all the alerts are selected. The fifth fix is to adjust ringer volume. For this, go to settings again, tap on sound and haptics, and adjust your ringer volume to maximum. So that's it. See you in